And after that, you can write that code, whatever is there inside try block, you can write, and then close that. Inside, so many statements are there like this. These are all statements, so you can call them as statements. Okay, fine. The thing is that, see, for example, if you are encountering some exception here, for instance, let us assume
Okay.
exception is, I will write one small example, otherwise, wait. Yesterday we were going with one example like this one. B is equal to 40 by A by B minus A B minus A. Okay, fine. So here I am displaying some message system.out.print A value, and then here I am displaying B. B is not taken. Wait. Yes. Okay, fine. And here also I want to display some messages. And after this, some messages, some coding is there. Believe that some coding is there. And finally, system.out.print, the end is there. So this is the program, for instance, which is kept inside try block like this. Like this. This is the code,
Okay.
for instance. Similar type of code I will write in a short while. So here in this connection, what kind of outputs you are going to get? What kind of things you are going to get as output? Sure, this is going to work. This will
Yes.
work. This will work, and then this will also work. No problem.
Yes.
It will work. And here, this is the exception. It cannot work. This is called as exception, not an error, but an exception that can be handled. That's why we kept a try block. We are having some doubts on this logic. That's why I kept this code. Whenever you are having doubt with the code, you can put inside try block. So I kept try block. This, unfortunately, so whenever you get a mistake, after that, whatever code is there, even if it is correct or not, it won't work. Won't work.
Okay.
This won't work. And then what about this? If any SOP is there, it won't work. Of course, not only this, all these things won't work. Same.
Right.
Ditto. It won't work. And here, this also, it won't work. Just like, say, for example, if we are moving on road, if some part of the road is not good, generally they put a board now, take diversion.
Yes.
Take diversion. Immediately we are going to take diversion and we are no more in the same road.
True.
Okay, we are just deviating. So whatever is there after that pitfall, or after that whatever problem is there, the road is under renovation or something like that. So that particular portion we avoid. And after that, if any good portion is there, still we cannot see that. Is it not?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
we have totally deviated from that road because we are having some hurdle there and we cannot jump from that hurdle.
Right.
We are simply deviating. That is why even this code is correct, genuine, correct, but still it cannot work, won't work.
Okay.
And after catch, and whenever you got exception, straight away control transfers to catch block. And whatever I will discuss about catch block in a short while, wait. But see, something is written in catch block, don't worry. And after that, somewhere I have written finally block.
Okay.
This will be executed, sure. In the finally block, whichever code is given, that will be executed. Of course, no issue. So these are all exception handlers. Of course, throw and throws I have not discussed in this application. I will come with those also in the
Okay.
coming time, with coming time. So here, try, this will work, this will work, this will work, all these things work. Only when you get exception from here, the remaining code
It
will
won't
not
work.
get executed. From here onwards, the hurdle is there, the problem is there. So this code will not work. Okay, even the other part is correct, it won't work. So whenever we get a wrong one, whenever we get an exception, the code whichever is written after that will not work inside try block.
Okay.
Inside try block, I am telling. Okay, so after trying block, okay, fine. Even after finally also, if any code is there, it will work. Only try block I am saying, this will work, no issue. This code will work, it will work. Same program,
Okay.
it is not part of the try block, is it not? It works, and this will also work. So it is something like that. Okay, now we will
Okay.
see how what exactly catch block will do. So when there is an exception, JVM will store exception details. Actually, whenever there is an exception, JVM is going to store those exceptions and then jumps into the catch block. So now let us write catch block here. So catch block
Sure.
is something like this. Some exception, you write exception class. Yesterday I was discussing about some exception classes present in lang package.
Yes. Yeah.
Throwable is the subclass for exception.
Yes.
Java.lang package. In Java.lang package, throwable class is there. In throwable, subclasses are there, like what are error and exception. And in exception, there are so many subclasses are there.
Yes.
Like arithmetic exception, array index out of bounds exception, string index out of bounds exception, null pointer exception,
Class not found
exception. So many are there. The list is very big.
Yeah.
File not found exception. So here also you are going to catch one exception. That exception, if you don't know the name of the exception, you simply write exception. That's it. Otherwise, you can write, if you are more clear about the kind of problem you are going to face there, you can write clearly you are going to encounter some arithmetic exception here. Is it not?
Okay. Yes.
So you can write arithmetic exception. That class name you can write.
Okay.
Followed with a reference. Some reference like that.
Okay.
Some reference. And what is that AE? Majority books, they won't write what is that AE, and majority faculty won't discuss. Just write the reference, they will tell, and leave that. So, but what is that AE, you know? Actually, JVM, it will be having an exception stack is maintained. An exception stack. Like this, see. An exception stack. Stack in the sense like idli tray. You know idli tray?
Yeah.
So one end is always blocked.
Yes.
On that, the other trays you are going to put, other circular dishes you are going to put. Or even books in a rack. You can see books in a rack. One end is blocked. Na?
Yes.
Bottom end is blocked. And from top only, either you can insert or delete.
Yes.
That is known as stack. And exception stack will be there. Exception stack means all the exception classes will be there. Arithmetic exception, array index out of bounds exception, and then string index out of bounds exception, and then null pointer exception, and then file not found exception. Like this.
Which is better, inside catch? Should we remember all these, or should we just write exception?
No.
How does it work in real life?
Yeah, I will tell you. We should be sensible, first of all. So in this program, what kind of problem is there? Clear cut, very
arithmetic.
Is there any array? Is there any array involved in that logic? Tell me.
No.
Any string involved in that?
No.
Simply arithmetics are involved. Any null pointer? No. Any class not found? No. Nothing. Simple logic is there. Arithmetic exception is there. You encountered arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception, that is. That's why you just you have to remember that class name and you can write that. If you don't know also, there is no problem. I will show you through programs. Even if you don't write try catch also, it will work. But you are firmly you have firmly decided to deal with that. Okay. That's why you can write the class name. That is arithmetic exception. There is every chance. See, for example, if it is the rainy season, yesterday I told na, so there is every chance for rain. If you are walking, you are going to carry umbrella, or if you are preferring any vehicle, obviously your choice is going to be four-wheeler, isn't it?
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
So because you know the kind of problem you are going to face, isn't
Right.
it? And if you are
Yes.
if you want to go to some other country, then obviously bus or car or train will not work for you.
True.
Obviously you select flight only. Or if even in the same
Yes.
country, if you want to move some thousands of kilometers, obviously even
Hmm.
train connection is there, still you prefer flight to save
Right.
time,
Yes.
here also, you know, the kind of problem you are getting here, simple what you call simple mathematics is there, arithmetic calculations are involved here. That's why obviously you have to write arithmetic exception AE. And what is that AE?
Okay.
AE is nothing but it is going to pick an exception stack is there like this, something like this, predefined. From that, it is going to pick the reference to exception stack. It means you are pointing that by writing AE, AE is a reference to what? To this stack.
Hmm.
From this stack, suitable message will be displayed. Understood? So if you are
Yes.
dealing with arithmetic exception, some suitable message will be there that will be launched. If you are dealing with array index out of bounds exception, some suitable message will be there that will be displayed. Got it? But if you don't
Hmm.
have those suitable predefined messages, you can deal in your own way also. I will tell you all those things with applications. Okay.
Okay.
So very clear. So you, whichever doubt you are half-hearted, huh?
Hmm.
You just to pull in
Yeah.
the try block. Point number one.
Okay.
You may be dealing with arithmetic calculations or arrays or strings or class itself, total class, okay, or a file handling. If I deal with files programs in the coming days, I'm going to discuss about files. There also you are going to see this exception handling mechanism, file not found exception I'm going to use. Got it?
Okay.
So these
Yes.
kind of things, if you are having some awareness, what is what, if you know, in this in the
Hmm.
classes today and tomorrow, I'm going to discuss anyways. So the kind of
Okay.
exception classes we are dealing, each and everything we will deal. Arithmetic exception we will do, string index we will
Okay.
do, array index we are going to do, file not, all majority we will do. Okay.
Okay.
So here, point number one is, as I told now, whichever part of the code you are having doubts, please put in try block. Okay.
Okay.
I told earlier. So as long as you don't encounter any exception, the things are very simple and nothing is going wrong. You are getting output clearly. But whenever you come across with an exception like this, so automatically from here onwards, the next part in the try block will not work. Okay. Only
Okay.
inside try block I am telling will not work. Outside it
Yeah.
will work. Outside it will work. No problem. And before
Okay.
production also it will work inside try block. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
And then obviously whenever JVM is going to encounter this step, whenever it is going to encounter, JVM will get into try block now.
Yeah.
So when it encounters each and every line, as long as it is correct, it will execute on normal basis. But whenever it encounters an exception, immediately it jumps control from here to catch block.
Catch.
Catch.
Okay.
Inside catch block, it will see what you have written. Oh, fine. Programmer has written arithmetic exception and he created a reference. And inside that, what I am doing, see, system.out.print. I'm just writing AE. Just that's all. AE I am writing.
Okay.
AE means what? It is a reference. It will refer to exception stack. Some predefined messages will be here, will be present here, related with the arithmetic exception, array index out of bounds exception, everything related.
Okay.
Relevant messages will be there. Appropriate message it will choose because you have gone with arithmetic exception now. I have
Hmm.
gone with arithmetic exception. So obviously it will pick only this message. Is it not? This message only will be,
Right. Yes.
because you are more clear there in the catch block with the kind of
True.
exception, arithmetic exception, you are more clear. So obviously that reference is going to pick one statement from the exception stack. Stack means I told,
Right.
now I told one after another. It will be one end will be blocked and from top end it will pull it out. So that message will be displayed here. Okay. But if
Okay.
you don't want that message, no problem. You need not write that. You can write division by 0 is not possible. You can write like that also.
Okay.
This is also fine. Is not possible. It also looks good.
Okay.
Is it not?
So even if it's a custom message, reference is a must in catch
Reference
block.
is must. Is must.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
just like I can tell you, sometimes you purchase some vehicle or some whatever it is, by default they will give something to you, but you are not interested with that. You are going to change that or not for your interest, according to
Yes.
your interest. Some label is there on that. You don't like that. You want to pick some, put some God image or something like that. Yeah, obviously it is your choice. You can put, isn't it?
Okay.
So
Yes.
customer defined, not company defined, that one. Okay, so built-in is
Okay.
also there. If you don't know what to do, you can simply leave this like this. You can write AE. Let AE
Okay.
decide. I don't know what to display. Let AE decide that. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Options are wide open like that. So that's how catch block is remaining. Means this, you can write any number of steps like this. You can keep on writing also statements like this. They will get executed fine. Okay, inside catch block,
Okay.
they will get executed. So whenever you encounter exception, then only catch block will be executed. You have to make a point. See, I'm writing.
Yes. Okay.
Whenever we encounter an exception, inside where? Inside a try block.
Try block.
Then only catch block will
Catch
be
block.
executed. Then only catch block will be executed. These are all blocks, na? Catch block will be executed. Unnecessarily it won't execute. Only if mistake is there, then only it will be caught and it will be resolved. Executed.
Okay.
Executed. And if there is no mistake, if there is no exception, who will find that exception? JVM now.
Yes.
There is no exception being found by JVM. Then obviously what will happen? Catch will not be executed. Is it not? Catch
Okay.
will not be executed. Once I complete exception handling all together, I will send you notes. Okay.
Sure. Yes.
Instead of partly sending entire notes, I will send you as single file.
Okay.
So matter of days, by Sunday, probably you can receive that by Sunday morning.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Today is Saturday, na?
Saturday, yeah.
Monday we will complete. If possible, tomorrow I will take a class. If possible.
Okay.
If possible,
Yes.
I will make a. I will mention earlier if I'm going to take.
Okay.
Depends upon both of our conveniences on tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Otherwise, by Monday I will close exception handling.
Sure.
And immediately once I complete, immediately I will send you notes of exception handling.
Sure.
So whenever we encounter an exception inside a try block, then only catch block will be executed.
Catch is executed.
If there is no exception being found by JVM, what to do? Catch, there is no chance for catch.
Yes.
So if a thief is there, then he will be caught. If there is no thief, nothing to catch. That's it, simply to say. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
And, this is all about catch block. And then finally, let me discuss about throw and throw separately. I will discuss, don't worry.
Okay.
It is different part of the world. So finally, so this is the last executable block actually, finally block.
Okay.
In C++ also it is there, but we write final, I think, in that. It is not finally, but here it is finally.
Okay.
Just brand name differences, you know, like surf is there, rin is there. I am telling you examples, but inside the material is same only. Brand, just matter of brand name difference. That's all.
Yeah. Sure.
Even biscuits, you know, different brands are there. Ultimately, the brands will get attracted. Even colleges, as I am telling. So just we are getting attracted towards brands. That's it. but inside same stuff. That's it. So here also in Java we call it as finally. In C++ we call it as final. That is a difference. Of course, it doesn't require C++ anyways. It is not strongly built mechanism in C++. Here it is a last executable block. Okay. Generally, cleanup activities will be performed in finally block. Cleanup actions.
Okay.
What I can say, like closing of files, closing operations. Generally, we perform closing operations in a program also.
Yeah.
Like that, if any closing operation is there, especially when you are dealing with the database, some links should be closed. Okay, disconnecting links, memory deallocations, those kind of things. Cleanup tasks all are called as cleanup tasks. They can be performed in the cleanup operation performed in the finally block. Yes. Databases, when you are dealing with the databases or something like that, closing task, finishing tasks will be performed. That's it.
Okay.
And the finally block will be executed without any problem, right?
Yes.
Now one important question, difference between throws and throw is there. I will discuss it also. Wait. Better we write some programs before that. And before going into programs, I just want to deal with some more theory. That is, theory is there. That's why. Difference between error and exception, I told na?
Yes.
In simple, I can tell you in another way also. In interview, somebody asks you, what is the difference between error and exception? Instead of telling both of those definitions, in one line, small line, you can tell that an exception is an error that can be handled. Is it not?
Right.
An exception is also error because it is also abnormal event.
Right.
An exception is an error. Is an error that can be handled.
Handled by a programmer.
Yeah. Simply to say, this is enough. This is enough. Simply to say, an exception is an error that can be handled. That's it. Okay. Now, you can categorically divide exceptions into two types. Two types you can divide. Checked and checked, I explained on yesterday.
Yes.
But in another way also, you can categorically divide. That is inbuilt exceptions or built-in exceptions, you can call. Inbuilt. Inbuilt, or you can call it as built-in also. Any you can alter words. Just you can play with words like that, you know. Built-in. Right, built-in or inbuilt, anything, both will work fine. Inbuilt or built-in exceptions are there. Predefined. Built-in exceptions are there, and then you can also user-defined exceptions are also there. User-defined, that is also very, very important. I will discuss one small project type, bank application I will design. That is also famous program from the past few years. I am discussing that, and I modified, redeveloped, so many things I have done on that, experimented on that. User-defined exception. User-defined exceptions are also there. And what are built-in exceptions? Can you give few examples for that? Yes, why not? Yesterday also I was discussing, not user-defined, sorry. And for user-defined, there is another name called as custom-defined, customer-defined. Customer-defined exceptions, you can call. Some books will write like this also. Customer-defined. That's it. And talking about built-in exceptions, yesterday I was discussing what are they. Even today also I discussed arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic, yeah.
Yes, array index out of bounds exception, string index out of bounds. All these, the list is very good.
Yeah.
These are all built-in exceptions. Okay, fine. Now we will go with each and every exception first. Then only I can write program. So I told you arithmetic exception. Just I will name few. Array index out of bounds, string index, IO exception is also there. We used it in the beginning, na? You remember?
Yes. Throws IO exception.
Data from keyboard. When we entered data from keyboard, buffer reader.
Yes.
That concept I asked you to write either exception, throws exception, or IO exception.
IO exception, yes.
Anyone will work. because yeah. And then file not found exception is there, runtime is there, no such method is there, interrupted exception also is there. In threads concept, you are going to see that. We are going to do with that, go with that.
Okay.
Interrupted exception is also there. Okay.
Okay.
And now we will do some programs on 20-bit unit. I'll open that. We'll do some programs. Exception handling. This is a long gap. I think after a long time, we are again using Eclipse.
Yeah.
In the beginning, I had 3 boring theory classes maybe, but again, yesterday and today, half of the day, we had it.
Yeah.
Exception handling. Exception. Okay, fine. Finish. That we will write one class. Class exception demo. I will write exception demo 1. Exception demo 1. And let me put main method also in that. What is the charging percentage? 47%. Okay. Right. Better I charge here. There is no power at all. Go. Okay, fine. Same example I will try. What is that? I have given one example now. Try.
A is equal to 40. Yeah.
And before that, instead of doing that, I will do one trick. I will apply one trick here. That is,
okay.
I told this in the past also, I think. I still remember. Int n is equal to, have we used this in the past? Args dot length, somewhere we used this.
Yes, we did.
Yes, exactly. Yes. In command line,
length of argument.
Yeah,
yes,
exactly. You know that I need not speak much about that, is it not?
Yes,
so
yes.
Because whichever command, whichever arguments you are typing from command prompt, it is going to calculate and store in n. N is integer, na? Simple integer. Yeah.
Right.
It is showing mistake. Is it not matching? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. One additional one is there, I think here. Yes, exactly. Still. No.
3 only were there, so that was correct.
Previous one is correct?
Yes.
It is why it is showing this. Oh.
Finally to complete. Okay.
That is not an issue. Int n equals args dot length. Okay, fine. So I just want to display number of args. I can display now.
Yeah.
Number of args applied. Number of args supplied. Number of arguments applied. Plus n. Inside n, whatever is there, it will be displayed soon. And
yes.
And then the famous equation from yesterday, I am talking about that now. Right. From yesterday, I was talking. What is that? A is equal to, let me write 50 by n. 50 by n.
Okay.
Fine. 50 by n. Okay, fine. Now let me display again. Display a value this time. I want to display a. Right, so suppose that a is equal to a is equal to a is equal to
Yeah.
a. That's it. Next, here I will catch.
Okay.
If any, because I am doubtful, somewhere I may go wrong.
Right.
That's why I am doubtful. And the simple arithmetic operations I am doing. That's why there is every chance to encounter some arithmetic exception. Arithmetic, sorry, space is not allowed between them. It is a single
Yeah.
arithmetic exception. Just create any variable name you can write, not only AE, just to for readability, I'm
Okay.
writing AE. You can write OBJ also or REF also. You can write.
Okay.
No issue. Just I'm writing AE for good readability.
Mm.
That's it. And now in different varieties, I will write inside catch block also. In different ways, I will write. First one, I will display normal message SYSO. Here I will write simple. What is the reference? AE na?
AE. Yes.
That reference itself I will write. And the other one, see, one method is there actually predefined. During output, you can see the difference between this method and previous statement. Print stack trace. The method name is print stack trace.
Okay.
That is a predefined method. We will see that soon. Print stack trace, the method name. And last but not least, my own style of doing, I will do. That is, I know the kind of problem I'm getting. Pass at least one arguments. If you pass 0 arguments, what is going to happen? Tell me. 50 by 0.
Yeah.
50 by 0 is not
Yes.
defined. Is it not?
Right.
So I know
Yeah.
what is going to happen. For example, I am developing and I am leaving to somebody else this program. So I know what kind of problem they are facing. So these are the system generated messages. I mean to say JVM from stack, from exception stack, some suitable messages will be generated. First two statements. But here, not like that. My own style of doing I want. Pass at least one argument. Pass. This is more, I mean, we can give more readable form now.
Yeah.
And human beings can give better coding like this.
Right.
At least one argument. This is better readable. You can understand soon after executing this program which style is better, because if you are having good awareness with the kind of the problem, then you can go in your style like
Okay.
this. Okay. Otherwise, if we don't know anything, we can leave to system. It will pick some suitable messages from the exception stack. That word is called as exception stack. Majority people won't cover that. So some suitable messages are there that is picked from the exception stack. I will write in the notes also. I will mention that point. So how many closings will be there? 3, right? Perfect.
Yes.
Now it is set right. Now we have to run from command prompt. Somewhere we typed those command line arguments. From where we typed on that day? Did you remember?
Yes.
From some place.
Debug only.
From?
Debug.
No, not debug. I searched at that time also. I even searched. I did not remember that. Not debug. I think it is not debug. Run. No, run history. Run as. No. I forgot. I never again tested. At that time, for the sake of class, I have gone through that and I have done, and again I forgot. From in command line we can do, that is different, but here also some option used effectively, is it not? In Eclipse only I told na at that time also.
Yes. But it was different in my Eclipse, but I figured it out that day.
Okay. So you are saying debug? No.
Yeah, debug configuration, I think.
That is not right. That is not correct. Wait. It will be there. It will be command line arguments will be there somewhere. Run history, run configurations, debug history, debug as, debug config, toggle trace point, add Java exception breakpoint. No. That name I forgot. Unfortunately, I have not taken that name. Just by searching we got on that day, na? Even here it should be there, command line argument. Okay, fine. I am not typing any command line argument and I am checking in this program. For time being, I will see later on, I will search that. See, I am executing. Got it? See,
Yeah.
see the statement. The first one is picked from stack. This is the first
Right.
message. Otherwise, I will do one thing. One thing I will do. I will put a comment. Okay. Now see. Now see.
Okay.
Now see what I am doing. See. That is the effect of system.out.println AE. Before that, there is no message, na? Number of arguments supplied.
Right.
You got for this one. This is executed, na?
Yes.
Yes. Executed. Executed or not? Number
Yes.
of arguments supplied, how much? How many? 0.
0.
Next, immediately an exception is encountered. JVM has traced an exception. JVM found an exception. So immediately it jumps to catch block. In the catch block, what is given? System.out.println AE. What is that AE?
Yes.
AE refers, here also I will write that point. In books also they won't write, that's why. AE refers to
Arithmetic
exception stack. Exception stack. Exception stack. Which exception stack? Arithmetic exception, because
arithmetic.
I'm very clear in my catch block, is it not?
Yes.
So what it is displaying, see, you can understand. Java dot lang dot
arithmetic exception.
But sometimes
by 0.
Difficult to understand that, no? Huh?
Yeah.
That's why I put a comment on that. Let me go with the next option. Let me check next also. Next option, I am opening comments for the next one. We will check this also. See. Now see. First, as it is, routine, number of arguments applied 0. More information you are getting now by print stack trace method. What is the additional information you are getting? Tell me. You are getting
at exception demo
class name.
You
are getting this step. Previously also we got this particular step. In the previous instance also we got that. But now additionally, what information you got? At so and so class. Our class name. We got our class name.
Yes.
Exception demo 1 is our class. And line number also it is showing. Wonderful, na?
Yeah.
Line number.
Yes.
At which line you are getting exception? That is the difference.
Line 9. Okay.
That is the difference between print stack trace and a normal generation. Okay.
Okay.
But still, I am not happy. I want more information. I want to go in my own way. Okay. Now see. Now see what is going to happen. This is even better. See. Good, na?
Oh, okay.
Number of arguments applied 0. I can understand. My customer can easily understand. Pass at least one argument. Even I can be even more clear. Pass at least one argument from command prompt.
Yeah.
From command prompt, from system prompt or command prompt. It adds good meaning to the application, is it?
Yes.
Good sense. That is the effect of exception handling. See, in how many ways we dealt as a programmer, as a user, or as a programmer, I can deal that with my own statement. Otherwise, I can pull a statement from exception stack by writing like that, by above statements, or I can have further clarity like this to get the error line as well, exception line as well. Is it not?
Yes.
So in these many ways you can deal, but where can I get those arguments? Unfortunately, I would have checked earlier. I am overconfident. I thought that it will be there. Some very clear name is there. On that day, at that time, I searched. After a long time, I searched and I got easily. Because I used the old one in the past also. Run as, no.
In my Mac, it is just run, and then you'll find arguments tab.
Run as Java.
Run configurations. Yes.
Arguments tab is there.
In run. In the run column tab.
Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will search in Google also. Wait. I will search.
Yeah.
I will search in Google. How to give command line arguments, no?
Yes.
From how to give command line args from Eclipse in Java. Wait.
It just says you have to click on run
exactly. Wait. You have to right click this. Wait. Right click this one. This is the program, na? Just
Yes.
right click. Yeah. Here you have to go there to project or class or project. Have to go to main arguments. But some other alternative should be there. It's not correct.
Yeah.
Here any arguments is there? No.
Okay. Sir, can we click on the run tab at the top?
Run tab. This is run tab.
Yeah, run tab at the top.
Run.
Cursor is not moving.
Yeah, this one, na? This one you are asking?
Yes, there run configuration.
No.
It says here that we can do that. Yeah, here arguments.
This is the one, right? You are right.
Yeah.
This is the one. Just when I Google it out, direct image is there, but
Okay.
Yeah. Click on run. Yeah, exactly. It is run. Yeah. Yes. Right. Here it is. In that old version, it is very easy, na, to identify.
Yes. It was very different that day, whatever you showed on today's.
Yeah. Arguments, but here program arguments I will supply. We have done Ram Gopal Verma, I think, on that day. We played with him.
Yeah.
Run. Show command line. No, run, I think. Now we will see. 3 arguments. Yeah, perfect. Yes. Done, na? Means,
yes.
Is there anything to catch here in this program? Anything to catch? Nothing.
Yeah.
Because 3 arguments.
It was all correct. Yes.
50 by 3. Yeah, 50 by 3, 16 integer value, because I have gone with integer, na? See, I have gone with integer. That's why if I go with float, what will happen? If I go with float, what will happen? Again, I have to do like that, or directly I can go like that. No, I have to. Yeah, 16.0.
Yes.
Because n is of type integer, na? 50
right.
is integer means it leads to integer, but left hand side float is there, na? Implicit typecasting will be done, and it will convert into 16.0.
Yes.
Got that? That's why. That's why that also you have to make it. Why all these things? I will go with int directly. Fine.
Okay. Yes. So, and in catch block, if I write just exception, what will happen?
Where?
In the catch block, instead of arithmetic exception, if we just go with exception. Yeah.
That also I will show you. Wait. And let me pass no argument this time. Let me remove those arguments. What you said, run? You told something again, I forgot.
Run configurations.
Run configurations. Okay.
Yes.
They have designed this one. These arguments. Let me delete those arguments. Yes. Run.
Hello.
Because comments you have to remove, na?
Yeah.
My own generated message is coming. I want to see all the messages.
Right.
Now we will get that. Got it?
Yeah.
Pass a keys
Okay.
to one argument from command prompt. No difference. It's working or not. So
Yes.
inbuilt mechanism is that much strong because see, I told you exception is a subclass of throwable. I told yesterday. Is it not?
Yes.
Exception is a
Yeah.
subclass of throwable, and
Right.
throwable consists of two subclasses. One is error,
Error and
and we don't touch
exception.
error anyways. Second one is
Yes.
exception. In exception, there are so many. The list is very big, and A is also part of that.
Yes.
Means the superclass for AE. Superclass means parent. The parent of
Yeah.
AE is exception, and the parent of
Right.
exception is throwable.
Throwable.
Yeah, and for all these are present in java.lang package.
Lang.
Yes,
Yeah.
java.lang package. And for all these, there is one class. Actually, I have to tell that object class.
Okay.
Object is a super class. Okay, why I'm
Okay.
telling those many supers, you can understand. Just like God. Okay.
Okay.
Object is the super class. You need not write those many supers. I'm writing one super only, but it is super class. Okay.
Okay.
Supernatural power we say na.
Yeah.
Like that. In Java also supernatural power is there. That is
Okay.
object. That is why it is pure object-oriented programming language.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So object is the super class in Java. If somebody asks you which is the super class in Java, so you have to answer that object is the super class for all classes. For which classes somebody may ask? Yeah, for all classes you can say. All means predefined and also
User defined.
User defined. How many classes we have done? So many classes we have done till
Yeah.
now. For all those classes, the God class is object only. I mean, super class is, don't say God, but you say super class. Super class is object.
Okay.
Only. Okay. So for all, I will write here. Otherwise, you can remember strongly, na. The super class for all classes means predefined.
And
Predefined
user
means
defined.
system, string, exception, all these things. Predefined as well as
user defined.
Yes. User defined. For all of them, the super class is object class.
Object. Yeah.
Somewhere I use that object class also in some of the concepts, not now. So error, exception. Now you understood?
Yes.
So even you write exception also, it is working.
Right? Yeah. Yes.
But better I go with the, because we know that. Why should we go with the parent class?
Yes.
Isn't it? We clearly know the kind of problem. That's why I am going with arithmetic exception. Otherwise, I will write here one comment. I will write this also works. This also works. What is that? You can copy this statement. And inside that, you can write exception also can work. And without writing all this also works. I let you know. Wait. But you cannot define in your own style. That is a problem. Got it? Yeah.
Okay.
You cannot go in your style. That is something like this, last message that you cannot get, that you cannot fetch. The other two you can fetch. Other two in the sense, let me recollect. I did not remember. Maybe print stack trace will be executed. I will check that. Wait. Long way back.
Okay.
Again, I am checking now. I still remember print stack trace will get executed. Another program we will do, but I will copy all this code, but I remove those what we call try and catch blocks. I will remove.
Okay.
Demo 2 exception, demo 2, right? Name. Okay, no problem. I will copy this code anyways. No. what I can delete from this part. I can delete this portion, isn't it? I can delete this particular line is enough to be deleted now. I think it is enough.
Yes.
And a few adjustments I will make soon. That is removal of try block and this brace, and then why two? Only one is required now.
That brace moved up.
Yeah. And then what else? What else?
That.
Closing not required.
Yeah.
Closing not required. Yes. This also I am deleting unnecessarily. Comment.
Okay.
And even catch, no more catch, no more try, no more catch. So whenever you go with the try block, catch is mandatory. Okay, you have to remember.
Okay.
Only you should not leave the program with the try block. Catch is mandatory. We will do
Okay.
the program also. Wait. So this is one more closing not required. Done everything. Just two mistakes. From where? From how can you use?
Yeah.
This?
Reference.
No more AE. No more that.
Yeah.
Yes. See, perfect.
Okay.
Now also, but see, this is unwanted, na? Yeah. Now see, but if you get a problem, see, if I get a problem, what will happen? There is no. We are wandering in some hill station, you know. So some hairpin tunnels they will write, na? Hairpin tunnels or
yes.
they will write, but there is no caution in this program. No try, no catch, nothing. So here also, you know, you might have heard about Mahabaleshwar, the origin of Krishna and Godavari rivers.
Yeah.
No, Godavari, I think, Krishna River, the origin of Krishna River. So actually there are two ways to Mahabaleshwar. One is the old road, very old road. Some couple of months back when we traveled with my family, when I traveled, the old road I preferred. I don't know how to go that. Another road is there on the highway, but somebody guided me in a wrong way and I have taken that hill. It is really an uphill task.
Okay.
Car is almost all going like vertically. Very difficult, very difficult. Deadly, really it is. That much dangerous. Road is worst and really there is no notices being kept there. In the return journey, we came fine. In another road we got. So here, this is that kind of program. Uphill task. Nothing is there. But still, your system, your Java is, robust, na?
Robust, yeah.
Robust. So it will generate appropriate message. See, it is going to generate. See?
Oh,
Means
okay.
What is generated? Which method it is generating? Print stack trace. Yes, sir.
Yes.
See.
Yeah.
How you got this message? Sorry, not that. This one I'm talking about. How you got this? Print stack trace. Program name you are getting. Line of error you are getting. Line of error. 6th line you are encountering exception.
Yes.
6th line.
Yeah.
This is 6th line. You got trouble there. That's why it is generating that message. Means print stack trace is executed. Means can you accept that or not? Java is robust.
Yes, we can.
It is strong exception. At that time, I told clearly. At appropriate time, I will discuss about that strong exception handling mechanism.
Yes.
I still remember. This is the time we got it. Okay.
Okay.
Due to strong exception handling mechanism, Java is robust. I can make a comment here. Recap just like strong.
Double slash.
Yeah, oh, Python.
Python, yeah.
That is the effect of that. Mixing too many things is always, but what to do? Some students ask Python.
Yeah.
Some students are asking Java. I like Java only, but some students are forcibly putting me in Python.
Yeah.
Strong exception. I don't like that. Because 16 years of work, Java.
Right.
3 years of work only for the sake of money, Python. That's it. Exception handling mechanism.
But I am not making this common mistake because of you.
Which mistake?
You kept telling Python. I remember as soon as I start Python, I remembered your statement. Comment, it's different, and I always get confused. So immediately I get that.
Yeah. Due to strong exception handling mechanism, Java programs are, Java apps are robust. Right, that's it. That message is appropriate for this program. Okay. The other things will work. If you go with arguments, normally it will execute, and after this will be also executed smoothly. Is it not?
Yes.
That's what I'm telling from the beginning. So whenever you encounter with an exception, the remaining part of the code will not get executed if you are putting in try block. But here try is not there now. That's why the other part will also get affected. If you put try block, only that particular code will be affected. The remaining code will run smoothly. Okay. Now see, let us come back to the previous program. I just want to add finally also in this program, right, where I can add try catch is over where? Catch is over here, right? Yeah, here. Now I put finally. Nothing more than that.
Okay.
So you can expect this output irrespective of truth and falsity of the program.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Got it? The end.
Okay. Yeah.
But I cannot display A, unfortunate. I cannot display this statement. This went wrong because this I cannot do, because before to that step, there is a mistake, there is a blunder.
Right.
That's why I cannot display that highlighted portion only, because it is part of try block. So inside try block, whenever you are encountering with an exception, okay, so whenever you are encountering an exception in a try block, soon after that, the code inside try block will not be executed. But the other part, even after finally also, I will write one statement C. Let me check. That also you should know. Is it not?
Yeah.
So here I will write some other message. Good luck. Okay. That's it. That's it. Now let us see this also. Good luck will come or not? Yeah.
It will. Yeah.
It's working. Only hurdle is this one. This is the only problem. Even after this also, if you write something, it won't come. You can write. Wait. You can write something here like end of try. End of try will not be encountered. I cannot reach end of try because some problem is there before reaching that point.
Yes.
Before reaching that point. Yeah. See. Where is that? End of try. No end of try. No end of try. End of try cannot get executed because here itself problem is there. So these two will not get executed. Right? Those two will not get executed. Obviously, you are falling into catch block, and this particular portion will be running, and then finally will get executed, and then after finally any code is there, it will be running smoothly. Maybe here you may write some valuable code. Maybe, who knows? That may be executed correctly. So your program will never crash in the middle, like C or C++ programs will crash in the middle, but here Java programs never crash. Got it?
Yes.
That's it. That is the effect of this one. Now I will move to the next level of exception handling. Next application, that is array index or something like that also we will do. Or in this program, you can try that also as a homework. I have tried with a argument args.length. You can try with some value for n equals 50, n equals 0. If I write, what will happen? Same result.
Yeah.
Is it not? Yes.
Yes.
Now in the same program, see what I'm doing. I will copy this. Wait. Control A. See, but I will do another one, but copy and paste this code and add something else to that. Exception demo 3. Yes. First of all, let me remove this. Done. Now I want to add something else. That is. Wait. After this, I will remove this unnecessary. No? You understood, no? I will remove this, and I will remove this also. Finally.
Okay.
Finally, also can I remove? You understood about finally, no?
Yes.
That is not our subject matter. This good luck also I will remove. You understood that also.
Okay.
So closings. Now I will go with some more kinds of problems. In life, so many kinds of problems will come, na? Just like that, in this program also, we are going to face so many kinds of problems. See. Okay. You know arrays, how to initialize a one-dimensional array?
Yes.
Oh, what I have done. Sorry. Right?
Yeah.
The code is correct or not? In 0 position, 50 is there.
Yes.
Fine. Now see. What I am doing is I just want to display the element present in 0th position. Got it?
Okay.
The element present in 0th position. Not only that, after that, also I want to deal with strings, different types of issues I am dealing in the same program. Let us see how many are successful. ABC, and then system.out.print. I told you one method in strings concept, char@. Method. We used that.
Yes.
Did you remember that? Char@. Character present at so and so location. At third location, I want third location. Is third location available? First of all, char@ third position. 0, 1, 2 are there. Where is 3?
Oh, yes.
No 3.
Yeah.
Means this is wrong, but this is correct.
Right.
And that depends upon our entries from keyboard. Is it not?
Yes.
Only one catch is there. That is arithmetic exception is given. And,
right.
And of course, so other exceptions also I have to give now. I should not leave like that. So let me give other exceptions also. So you can give like this, one after another you can give. What is the second kind of problem? Array index out of bounds exception, isn't it? Array index. It should display. It is not displaying because IDE. What can I get? What kind of help I can get in IDE? It has to display. Array index. I have to remember. It seems array index out of bounds exception. I don't know why it is not displaying. How to name that? Instead of writing these things, array index out of bounds, na? That much big name I cannot write. Array index. I will go with a different one this time. I will go with E1. I will go with E1. Otherwise, same names also you can write. E exception. Here also E. That E is different from this E, na? Got it?
Yes.
Lifespan, you know, that is belonging to that catch.
Right.
This one belongs to this catch. That's all. This one belongs to this catch. Okay?
Okay.
That is different. This is different. Don't worry. Now, inside that same story, I can go in any style, either this or our own style. Paste. Yes. Okay, not E, it is E. No more E. It is E, na? E here also, na? Right. Full stack trace. If you want to deal in your own words, you can write that also. Welcome.
Okay.
That is something like what to tell. For example, if I write ARR of 1, is it possible? Is it possible if I write ARR of 1? No, it is not possible. Means that element is not there. I will write. Or something like that. Cannot refer that element. cannot refer that position. Cannot refer that position. Because you are asking some position which is not there. Only after all 0 is there, but you are trying for 1 or something like that. And then comes what? Another catch is required now?
Yes.
String index out of bounds exception.
Right.
Again, this is again different from the other A's. Cannot, here what kind of problem? Cannot refer that position, same problem.
Yes.
But, I mean to say caret third position is not possible, cannot refer the position. That's it.
Or we can say there are only 2 positions.
Mistakes are there. What are the mistakes? Brackets and these things. Where I missed out, but we have to check.
Oh, after catch there is no flower bracket. Brace.
Where? Yes, exactly. And one more closing is required now. Main method and class. Yes, done. Now let us execute this. Yes, see?
Yeah.
Number of arguments applied 0. Yeah. First itself we got arithmetic exception. Remaining whether correct or not, who knows? Inside try block. See, we are putting only one try block. So here here JVM encountered exception here itself. Then remaining code will not get executed, unfortunately. Is it not? Got it?
Yeah.
Next time I will give one argument and see. Pass at least one argument from command prompt. Okay, I'm checking that. See, whenever we get mistake, somebody will rectify us. Elders will rectify. Immediately, we correct that and we do. We go in a correct way. And again, we may commit in some other area mistake. Again, they are going to correct. Again, we may commit mistake in some other area like that.
Yeah.
So first mistake we are going to rectify now by going with configurations, arguments. Again, back to Ram Gopal. Let Ram Gopal save us. Okay.
Okay.
Now, see, he saved really up to that extent.
Yeah.
A equals 16 you got, and you got 50 also. Huh?
Yes.
But what about the next problem? Oh, successful. Array index out of bounds also successful. Yeah, 50 you got. Yeah, you got 50.
Yeah.
AR of 0. Absolutely correct. You got 50.
Right.
Yeah? So catch is not uncounted. Only catch encountered at third position. What is it? What is the third catch?
String index out of.
That is the problem. Cannot refer that position. Yes. Got it? Now I will commit mistake here itself. 1.
Okay.
1. See, here itself it is showing. What is that? Here, why it is showing that? Previously also it showed like that.
Oh, after,
square, I mean, that's what I'm looking. It should not show any mistake here.
Yeah.
It is not error, it is exception. It is not compile time error. Compile time error solely it will show. Got it?
Right. Yes.
Disk checking is a solution for that. I told now. Now see.
Yeah.
Now see. Index 1 out of bounds for length 1.
Yes.
Cannot refer that position. But third is not. Third even correct. I will write correct one for third. str1 caret 1. 1 is there na. B you have to get.
Yes.
But you could not get B here. Why? Because problem is there even before that. Here is the problem. So you stop there itself. You cannot travel to further. You cannot travel. That's it. See here. Yeah. Got it? Index
Yes.
1 out of bounds for length 1. Yeah, here is the problem. Here is the problem it is pointing. You cannot get B. B, you are expecting B, but there is no B here. Why?
Yes.
That's it. But if I do this correctly, I make it 0 this time. Now everything is fine. All outputs you are going to get, isn't it?
Yeah.
All outputs you are going to get. Fine. All hurdles you are able to manage. Got it? Number of
Yes.
arguments 3, A is 16, 50 you got, B you got. Understood? So one
Yes.
try with multiple catch blocks you have seen just now.
Yeah.
One try with multiple catch blocks.
Multiple. Okay.
And then nested try is also there. And one try we have kept now. One try we kept. Can we do on tomorrow remaining applications?
Sure, sir. Yes.
We'll do on tomorrow. I mean, on
Yeah.
tomorrow, if possible, we will do. Otherwise, back on Monday, we will do.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it may be clumsy if I deal more things. Just
Okay.
go through these things. Are you taking pics time to time? Because it may
Yes,
be
yes.
for notes. It may be delayed. That's why. In the meantime, you cannot. You can study further.
Yes, yes. I take pictures.
Okay? Fine.
Yeah.
Can I leave the session with this?
Sure, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.